Hey guys, I just bought myself another Sprinter. Getting ready to tow it home. Let me show you what I did to hook it up with a tow bar. Maybe it's going to give you a good idea how you could actually tow your own Sprinter, because I haven't seen a tow bar made for the Sprinter yet. I'm pretty sure most guys has been basically working with what they got, kind of like myself. But I think this is a good setup. You will know whether it worked or not, but I don't think it's going anywhere. So basically, as you know, the Sprinter itself is 6,500 pounds. The tow bar is 5,000 pounds. The tow hitch is 6,500 pounds that it can handle. So, but here's the thing, guys. This is a very heavy duty type of tow bar. Look at this. This is like almost a 1/4 inch, maybe 3/16 inch type of steel. Cannot really tell. But here's what I've done, guys. I bented these steps by actually removing the step, bented them down. But before I did all that, I went ahead and I drilled some holes. And I drilled these holes here. It's you'll need some good metal type of bits, and I installed the tow bar type of piece into the metal socket. As you can see, it's got a little bend in it. It kind of helped with things. I didn't have to customize it any further. Then I used original step bolts to put them back, number 13s I believe, and then I bought some of these self tapping type of screws to basically place them, and I did that on both sides. So I actually used the washer as well. I didn't need to, but I've used it. This metal is very heavy duty, so I think we're gonna be fine. So there's total of now 4 bolts securing it on each side, so I think we're good. And if you want to check out the Sprinter, here's what it looks like. Of course I have to remove the bumper. These Sprinters, as you could see, they rust pretty bad, some worse than others. And this is a good one to kind of show you kind of like what happens to these things. Look, I've never even seen this happen, and yet there it is. It's rusted through. So I would consider this body right here, it's a little bit worse than some. The parts printer that I have, it's a lot better conditioned body than this. So I'll actually end up fixing the body, using what I can from this one, and that'll be the end of it. So time to go, guys. Hey guys, I have made it home. It is basically close to 3 o'clock in the morning, and thank God I made it safely home, towing the Sprinter here that I bought. This is going to be another one of my projects. I'll tell you guys a little bit more about it, but I do want to say that this towing system that I've used worked really well for me. I got it at Harbor Tool and Freight, the actual tow bar, and works great. And let me give you guys a little close-up here. See, everything worked out. Yeah, here we go. As you can see, guys, the bolts, they all hold up, so this is more than sufficient. So nothing's messed up over here, so everything as it should be. Sure, but all of this stuff held up, as you guys could see, and so is all this other stuff, so that held up pretty well. So anyways, guys, take care. Thanks for watching. See you guys in my next video. Bye bye.